Hi YouTube! This is gonna be a video response for Loki. Hello Loki. I was going to say Lucky, but it's Loki. And yeah, I just watched your video about the differences between Italian, French and Spanish. These are Romance languages, and also you know that Catalan is a Romance language, and I think it could be interesting if I say some of the expressions that you used in your video, and this way you can compare these expressions with the other languages expressions. So the first expression you use is "today I went to school." That is in Spanish is "hoy he ido a la escuela," and if you say it in Catalan is "avui he anat a l'escola." Avui he anat a l'escola. You say that French language is a flat language. That means that there is no ups and downs in the intonation, flat language. So I think that Catalan is more or less pretty much the same, because you say "avui he anat a l'escola." You're not saying the intonation is not like Italian, because it's very strong in the ups and downs in the Italian language. So anyway, however, I should point out that you can say "avui he anat a l'escola," or you can say "avui he anat a l'escola." So you can stress, you can emphasize the part of the sentence that you can to show more. But I think that it's the same in French maybe. So in some way we can say it's flat, but then we can play with the stress, or make it stronger some part of the sentence just to emphasize an idea. So yes, another one that you use is I can speak, I can understand the Catalan. So in Catalan would be "puc parlar, puc comprendre el català." Puc parlar, puc comprendre el català. And another one is the hand, la mà. La mà. This is the hand. In Catalan is la mà. Organization in English would be, in Catalan would be organització. Organització. I think it seems kind of French. Organizzación. No, this is Italian. I'm sorry. Organizzació in Catalan is organizzació. Another one in Spanish, cuidado, cuidado. But in Catalan it's not cuidado. It's not cuidado. It's compte, compte. Be careful. Watch out in English. And another one is the summer. The summer in Spanish is el verano, and in Catalan it's completely different, but because it is l'estiu, l'estiu, l'estiu. La is the article, and estiu is the noun. Okay. Another one is shoes. Los zapatos in Spanish, and in Catalan is las sabatas. Yeah. So the bottom line here is that I think, in my view, that knowing Catalan is useful. I think it's useful to learn faster Italian, because if someone knows Catalan and Spanish, then I think it's easier to learn Italian, because if some word is similar, some Italian word is similar to Spanish, or it is not similar to Spanish, I mean, then it is possible that it is similar to a Catalan word. So you have more probabilities that some word is similar to one of the languages that you know. Well, I think that it's pretty much what I wanted to say about it. Yeah, I think that your video is very interesting. I also like your videos. And yeah, that's it, and see you soon. Bye.